All right, good afternoon. We are going to be installing the oil catch can from UPR on the 2021 Skat Pack Smoke Show wide body. As you can see, my last video we went ahead and done the JLT Series 2 cold air intake, and so this video we are going to knock out the UPR oil catch can. Got it in red. Here, I had one of these on the 2019 wide body Challenger. Again, I'm not 100% sure if this is a myth or a must, but I'm willing to go ahead and roll the dice and spend 150-60 bucks and have one put on. I do plan on keeping this car for a while. It is a daily driver, so might be a good idea. Looks fairly straightforward. Like I said, I've done one of these in the past a couple years ago. Should take 15-20 minutes or so. In case you've forgotten, there's the JLT Series 2 cold air intake. It's been running great. Like the sound. I do get a little additional sound in the cabin, so that seems to be good. And so without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, there she is, all done. I want to say it was about 8 minutes actually, so the time lapse is going to be pretty short, but that's it. It's really just one bolt with a spacer on there. Just tried to level the can as much as I could from my car being in the garage, and a couple fittings, and that's it. So I did see in there, it says on the instructions there from UPR to check the can every 500 miles, so I'll be doing that, and maybe I'll report back on how much oil that I'm finding in there. But that's pretty much it. See you guys in future videos. Thanks.